All right, how's it going, folks? My name's John Lovell with the Warrior Poet Society, and I wanted to introduce a really cool piece of kit for you for your everyday carry and for your medical. So I got all kinds of stuff in here. I wanted you to take a look at it first. I have an ankle kit on right now. It looks awesome. I'm trying to let my business partner and my staff let me call it the cankle. So if we call it the cankle, you know I won. But anyway, right now it's an everyday carry medical ankle wrap deal. So here we go. I know I really need to work on the name there, but regardless, here we go. So this comes off and it solves a lot of problems that I had. One is, I think, I'm carrying a gun every day of my life. It's because I'm interested in protecting people. But really, I think it comes down to, if you really want to protect people, you're probably more likely going to be needing medical before you need a firearm. So if you really care about protecting people, making the world a safer place, carrying medical is a really, really big deal. And I think a lot of people out there kind of in the medical community, in the industry especially, they'll preach medical, 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 and they're right, that's awesome. But the difficulty is, for just an everyday carry dude, how do you carry a bunch of medical on you? All right, I've tried every which way to shove tourniquets everywhere, and it always comes down to the same thing of, I don't want just the Batman utility belt hanging off of me, making me uncomfortable, adding bulk, especially around here. I'm already tapped out around the waist. So to be able to put this bulk around the ankle is not a big deal. Now, if you looked at the footage that I just showed you before as I jumped up on the table there, you noticed a little bit of bulk. You could see it when you looked for it, but the deal is guys, one is I dress around it anyway. You're not wearing skinny jeans, right? You're wearing something that's gonna cover it up. And so these are just kind of everyday carry pants for me, jeans, and they cover it up just fine. Little bit of printing, but here's the thing. No one notices. No one's situationally aware. 0 people ever call me out for it. So I think I can get away with it anyway, though what we've done here is do something that minimizes a great amount of bulk. So anyway, this is basically just about a full IFAK. I'm gonna go through it real quickly with you, but it also has some everyday carry items and a couple secret pouches for you. So I'll go through it really, really quick. Right here, working left to right, I have a cat tourniquet. Inside that cat is my gloves for working and also a decompression needle. Pretty groovy. On this side here is some medical shears by North American Rescue. Awesome. And also what every dude wants to carry, but you never know where to stick it, and that is some type of multi-tool, a Leatherman. No extra bulk, amazing. Yes, I can finally carry a Leatherman without feeling bulky again. And this side right here, I have some chest seals, hyphen chest seals. And I also have my ETD by North American Rescue as well to be part of my pressure dressing. Over here, I have the other part of my pressure dressing, and that's some gauze, again, North American Rescue gauze, and an NPA, nasopharyngeal, so I can affect a good airway. Anyway, between all that, that's basically a full IFAK plus a Leatherman multi-tool. But there's even more, which is really cool. I'm so salesy of like, but wait, there's more. But seriously, this is cool, guys. Shut up. Inside here, we put a wallet. So if you open up the side here, this opens up and you got a full wallet in here. So I got cash. I've got rolled up tape. So I have tape on me at all times. Hotel key card and a little USB stick. And then on this inside, and I can access this without opening up, is kind of escape and evasion tools. So this right here has lock pick sets. It's got a little razor in there. It's got a handcuff key. And this right here is cordage, and I can do all kinds of stuff with that. I can saw through flex cuffs. So all kinds of neat little options there. The inside of the ankle medical kit, this is some really big deal with this, is it's hypoallergenic stuff, or it's hypomicrobial, antimicrobial. There it is, that's the one, which means you're not gonna get the funk when you wear this all the time and you're sweating into it. Furthermore, it's got some padding, and the biggest problem with these ankle kits is they're not built right in terms of the pouches, so they have too much bulk, or that bulk pushes in toward the ankle. So this right here gives you some padding. It also creates good air channels so that you can get a lot of breathability in there, and antimicrobial as well. Man, I'm really struggling with that word. The pouch is built in such a way so that you see, even with the bulk in there, all the bulk of the pouches goes out. And that's accomplished through kind of tapered pouches here. So the bulk goes out, not in. So you can have this nice ring all the way around. Other ankle kits that I've seen out there, the bolt goes into the ankle, which makes all these pressure spots. So it's okay to wear for a couple hours here and there, but day in and day out, it gets really old. This is the only one I know of that creates that nice ring. So it's got airflow, it's nice and comfortable. You can carry the bulk in a way that really allows you to conceal as well. So that's it. These things are cool, and now you know about it. Guys, train hard, train smart. And if you want to check these out, these are on my website, warriorpoetsociety.us, and you're able to get just the ankle kit, or you can get it with the medical, or you can just get the medical refill so that you're able to get kind of a turnkey solution for you. Again, warriorpoetsociety.us. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.